Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix CookieRun OvenSmash game not working or not loading, lagging, freezing, crashing, keep stopping or other issues on Android phone. So the very first method is to restart your Android phone. So for that, hold the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, now try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is not fluctuating and is stable. If it's fluctuating or any kind of issues, then you should restart your router once if you are using Wi-Fi, or go to mobile data or do vice versa and then check if the game is working or not. If not, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for CookieRun OvenSmash, and here you have to check if any update is available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, you should force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info, click on force stop and then click on OK. After that, try to launch the game and check. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache, click on clear cache. Once you have done this, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If you cannot install or launch the game, you can install a VPN to run the game on your phone. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN and you will get lots of apps available over here. Install any one of it. After installing it, log into it. Once you log into it, now change the location, and after that try to launch the game and check whether it's working. If not, you should check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. So for that, go to settings, go below, click on system update, and here you have to check if any update is available. The steps may differ from phone to phone, but you should check if any software update is available, and after updating your phone OS to the latest version, now try to launch the game and then check. But if the issue still continues again and again, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, press and hold the game icon, click on the delete icon and then click on uninstall option. After doing this, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game, that is CookieRun OvenSmash, and finally click on the install option. So wait for some time. Once the game is installed, now click on the play button and then check whether it's opening or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.